morning, everybody. Todd here, and welcome back to another Monday Morning Mindfulness. Today, we're just going to be doing a mindfulness meditation on a gratitude for the breath, body, and mind. So find a nice place to sit and take a full breath in through the nose and sit up a little bit taller. As you exhale through the nose, release the shoulders. Just take a few moments with the attention to your breathing to settle into a neutral, upright posture. Allow your belly to soften. Shift your shoulders back ever so slightly and lower your chin so that the back of the neck is neutral and long. And with the awareness of breath and posture, begin to intentionally generate a deep sensation of gratitude for the breath itself. As you watch, notice the breath moving in and out through the nose. Remember how precious this one breath is. And this next one, too. Invite the spaciousness of awe and wonder as you sit with the next 3 to 5 cycles of breath. And now, turn your attention to your heart. Feel the heart beating. Perhaps in the quiet you can even hear it. Still aware of the breath, but noticing, listening to the heart. Inviting in awareness of the miracle of your heartbeat as we sit with this noticing for 3 to 5 cycles of breath. And still aware of the breath and the heartbeat, draw awareness to the form of your human body. Here, functioning, breath breathing, heart beating. Notice whatever it is that arises when we notice the unique fortune of our human birth. Here in this human body, you have everything you need to be. You have everything you need to find happiness, contentment, connection, and joy. There is infinite capacity within you. Infinite capacity for awareness and gratitude. Notice your breathing. Notice your heart beating. A mind that can notice, understand, feel, and discern. A mind whose capacity for awareness, understanding, and growth is infinite. A mind whose capacity for noticing its true nature is right here, right now, in this present moment. Smile on the breath. Smile on the heartbeat. Invite in peace and calm for this body, and kindness towards this mind. Rest here remembering you have everything you need, resting in gratitude for it all. And as the mind, with its infinite capacity, tries to draw you away, just notice this and keep coming back to the wonder of this one breath in, this one breath out. The magic of the heartbeat, the beauty in being here. While this presentation's come to its end, please feel free to continue to do this for as long as you'd like on your own. And until the next time, may you